How to create a community group on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create your community group on WhatsApp Business. So if you want to create a community group on WhatsApp Business, you have to follow this step. First of all, just go and open up your WhatsApp app here. Once you are on your WhatsApp app, just go and navigate to the plus icon here. Here you can see that. Once you are here you can see the new community. You have to tap on the new community and go for the get started option. And you have to write here community name and go for the arrow option which is on the bottom right corner. Just tap on that and they are creating your community on your WhatsApp. So if you want to make announcement here, just go and make an announcement on your group. So first of all, you have to add the members on your group from your contact. Then you can make the announcement here. Just go and make your announcement on your community group. So with the help of this video, you will easily create your community group on your WhatsApp. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.